Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of GBPUSD in front of us. And for the last couple of days, we can see that the correlation between DXY, US dollar index, and GBPUSD is not going very well. But overall, we can see that there are signs of trend reversal on DXY because of fundamentals, because market is looking for more interest rate hikes during this year, as a result of which DXY is bullish right now. And there's a high chance that by Monday or Tuesday, DXY either will take support around this area, previous resistance of 102.80, or DXY will form a higher low here and bounce back again. So there's a high chance that DXY is going for trend reversal for the next couple of days because of fundamentals. Fundamentals are pushing DXY towards the upside. Now let's look at GBPUSD. So as you can see that I am on the 1 hour time frame of GBPUSD, and on the 1 hour time frame we can see that overall the trend of the market is towards the upside. There is no doubt about it. Okay. Listen to me carefully. Things are a little bit weird here. See, the overall trend of the market is towards the upside, no doubt. Okay, but here, if we simply focus on this particular chart here, we can see a descending triangle pattern. Okay, in descending triangle pattern, we have a support, and we always get to see market is unable to cross the previous highs. But descending triangle pattern is a powerful pattern in downtrend market, and we are having a descending triangle pattern in an uptrend market. Uptrend market means the overall the buyers are dominating the market. Okay, so in this situation, there's a chance that if GBPUSD goes down also, then it will take support. Okay, support somewhere, and it will try to continue the overall upside. Why? Because if you look at the daily chart of GBPUSD, then again there is no doubt that market is in downtrend here. If I remove the drawings, you can see here market just took support at the previous resistance here. Okay, so swing traders, position traders, you should be looking for buy positions only on the chart of GBPUSD. But if you're a day trader, then it's better to trade from level to level only, because we can see that the present trend is pointing towards a downside, whereas the overall trend is pointing towards an upside. There's a contradiction with the overall trend and the present trend of the market. So let's discuss the trading opportunities for Monday and Tuesday. First of all, the market opening will be very important for GBPUSD. As we can see, the GBPUSD is taking support around this area here. So if GBPUSD breaks 1.2685, okay, if GBPUSD breaks 1.2685, then there's a good chance that market will try, the sellers will try to push the market down, and you can look for a sell position. The next immediate support on the chart of GBPUSD is available around 1.2640 to 1.2620. Why? Because you can see that market is respecting Fibonacci here. When we drew the Fibonacci, market respected Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level, as a result of which we can expect that market will be respecting Fibo 38.2 as well. And moreover, apart from Fibo 38.2, we also have some previous support around this area, as well as 100 moving average is also present around this area. So if we combine all the factors, then 1.2640 to 1.2620 seems to be a good support on the chart of GBPUSD. We can expect that if there is no influence of news, okay, then if market comes down in a normal manner, okay, then we can expect that buyers will be definitely present around this area, and they will provide support to the market. If you see market taking support around 1.263040 level, we can look for a buy position. But as I said, the present trend of the market is pointing towards the downside because of the descending triangle pattern. So be careful during the first half of Monday, because usually we don't get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday. So if market breaks this level, observe the volume. If you see the market is going down with a big red candle, then only look for a sell. But if you see the market is going down but forming small candles, dojis and spinning tops, then obviously you should avoid, because for a breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. Otherwise it will be a false breakout. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on GBPUSD if market shows a downside right after the market opening. And as right now we can see that sellers are having a good influence on the chart. So right after the market opening, if GBPUSD try to show some upside, then observe the market around the levels of 1.2750 and 1.2765. 1.2750 to 1.2765. You can also consider this as a zone here. So if GBPUSD try to show some upside on Monday, if you see that though the market is going up but the buying power is not very high, then you will get the confirmation that yes, buyers are still struggling. Try to understand the market emotion. Okay, in that case, if you see the market is showing price rejection from above around this area, if you see the market is forming shooting star kind of a pattern or anything like that, any good price rejection will do. You'll get the confirmation that sellers are present, and you can look for a sell around 1.2750, 1.2765. How we have derived this level, let me show you. Here we are again using FIBO here. Okay, and as you can see that FIBO 23.6% more or less work nicely. So we are expecting that FIBO 38.2 and FIBO 50 should be working as well. And around this level we also have the moving average. So that's why we are combining everything and thinking and expecting that this level should work. But yes, this is not a very strong level, because in case the buyers are back in the game, because overall the market is towards the upside, in case market buyers are back in the game, and if you see market forming big green candles, then obviously you should avoid. Okay, so market condition will decide. Market opening will be important. Let's wait and watch. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. As I always say, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Respect your capital. Do not chase the market. Let the price come to you. Be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye, take care. My dear friends, world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again. I conduct these workshops in both Hindi and English language. Separate classes are conducted for Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop. Yes, it's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. You can see here, these are the topics that you'll be learning in 3 days. In 1 month support, I also conduct extra 4 classes. So total 7 classes, and these are the topics for the weekly classes. Everything is mentioned on the website. But I would like to mention that this workshop is not for complete beginners and new traders. If you're struggling with the market, if you're unable to make money, then only you should sign up. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And there is also a question in it, so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. You can see here 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program. Yes, the workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. After the 3 days class, you will receive all these benefits. And the best part is the fees. You can see here, it's only $15. $15 for everything, and rupees 1,000 for Indians. The dates are 5th, 6th and 7th of July for Hindi classes, and for English classes 8th, 9th and 10th. Separate dates, and I record each and every session so that even if you miss, you don't miss anything. Okay. And if you're looking for longer relationship, if you're looking for some personal classes, then you can also sign up for annual membership, semi-annual membership. Okay, available at very affordable cost. If you're frustrated with your trading right now, if you're looking to scale up your game, then definitely you should join the Pro Trader program, or you can definitely check out the Pro Trader program and you won't be disappointed. Okay, so the link is in the description. Everything is mentioned on the website. Bye bye, take care.